Are you ready to take your creativity to new heights, or maybe stay grounded for that perfect shot? Welcome to the channel Caring Guy. Today, we're diving into the ultimate debate, drone versus camera, which is right for you? Let's find out. In the world of visual storytelling, both drones and cameras have become game changers. Whether you're capturing the vastness of a landscape or a portrait's fine details, these tools bring something unique to the table. But how do you choose the right one for your needs? Let's break it down. Let's talk drones. These flying marvels allow you to capture once impossible perspectives. From sweeping panoramas to dynamic motion shots, drones are all about freedom and creativity. Modern drones come packed with features like 4K cameras, intelligent flight modes, and portability, making them accessible for hobbyists and pros alike. Plus, they're a must-have for travel enthusiasts looking to add a cinematic flair to their adventures. Now let's shift our focus, literally, to cameras. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned photographer, cameras offer unparalleled control and versatility for capturing every detail. Cameras shine when precision matters. Portraits, product photography, and artistic stills come to life when you have full control over your settings, lenses, and lighting. And for those just starting out, cameras tend to have a gentler learning curve compared to drones. So, how do you decide between a drone and a camera? Let's consider a few factors. Drones with advanced features can be pricey, while cameras can range from budget-friendly to professional grade. Drones require piloting skills, while cameras are typically more intuitive. Are you capturing vast landscapes or detailed close-ups? Think about what inspires you most. Travel, filmmaking, photography, your primary goal can help guide your decision. And remember, you don't have to choose one forever. Many creatives use both tools to complement their work. Visual technology is evolving faster than ever, and drones and cameras are leading the way. The best part? There's no wrong answer. Both tools can help you unlock your creative potential. So, why not try both and see what works for you? Whether you're soaring through the skies or mastering the perfect shot, the journey is all part of the fun. Let us know in the comments, are you team drone, team camera, or maybe both? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.